tayo makakainin.
Mahal ang pagkain.
She calls out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep.
Straight na kayo.
Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you, you and me in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street.
Hindi na babalik yan si Sorabel, tayo lumabas.
Ano yung masasarap?
Hindi na babalik yan. Maaga yan mamaya, 3:30 rin. Meron na naman tayong taka serye. Taka serye. Hindi walang hanap-hanap, taka serye nga. Walang hanapan pag tumakas. Uy, mukhang natupad na ang pangarap. Mukhang natupad na ang pangarap, Lerico.
Ito na, ito.